Is Sunworks Inc. stock a buy or a sell? Since the 20th of November 2020, Sunworks Inc. stock has run up a gain of up to 36%. Today in the pre-market of November 24th, 2020, it is currently up 10.26%. So all in all, so far since 20th of November, it has run up a gain of 37% or thereabout. So what is behind the Sunworks drives? This Sunworks rally. It's all related with all related and also associated with the EV bullishness. And importantly, you can see this piece written on Investor Place. It says the solar market industry has been incredibly hot in recent weeks. A large reason behind this boom is the election of former Vice President Joe Biden. Upon his inauguration, he has promised to invest $2 trillion in clean energy initiatives. So we can see what's going on here. We can clearly see a very sharp rise in that curve. This was from the 18th, so it was even before that Friday I mentioned, the 20th. So that rally has been going on now for, I would say, up to 5 days or thereabout. So this issue has a market cap of $115.7 million and 16.629 shares outstanding. Only 2% are held by institutions, and the short interest is about 5.89%. Not very wonderful, and it will take up to a whole day to cover all of those short positions. And it says here technically that Sunworks appears to be in a strong bullish trend, no doubt about that. Its 200-day moving average is upward sloping, and its MACD histogram is above zero. Comparative relative strength analysis shows that this issue is outperforming the S&P 500 index. Momentum for Sunworks is strongly bullish. The 14-period slope stochastic oscillator is above 80, the level which many analysts call overbought. We can see here it is in the overbought territory as well. This means that investors have been actively purchasing shares and driving the share price higher. The unbalanced volume indicator is bullish. The slope of the indicator is positive and suggests that buyers are presently more active than sellers. You can see the last 10-day average volume is about 10.55 million, and it has a float of about 16 million. So, going by what's going on, the average trading volume, it can be said that this sort of equity will get a lot of price movement, because we can see that nearly everything that is floated is sold or traded. That's one unique thing about Sunworks, and indeed some other stocks. The slope of the indicator is positive and suggests that buyers are presently more active than sellers. The Bollinger Bands are presently wider than usual as a result of greater than normal volatility that accompanied the recent price move. Events such as this may precede a pause or reversal in near-term trend. So in our opinion, Sunworks is definitely a buy. It is definitely a buy. But the question is, should I buy today now that it's still very hot? Do I look to the future as the reason for me to jump in now and get going? If you want to trade for the short term, I guess don't buy today. If you're in it for the short term, don't buy today. And I know very many people are in stocks today for the short term. So if you're in it for the short term, you can't be buying the high. You have to buy a dip, a consolidation if you're in the short term. But if in the long term, 4 years to see what Biden's influence is going to play out on energy, clean energy and EV stocks, then do so anyhow, anytime. But if you need for the short term to make some gain for whatever it is you want to do for the short term, I would suggest to not buy this rallying highs. Okay, if you're new to this channel, subscribe, like and share. If you're already a subscriber, thank you very much again for watching.